Hi, so welcome. This is the Lower East Side Ecology Center. You compost and you collect e-waste and you do a lot of good. Can you please tell us about it?
Sure. So we are the Lower East Side Ecology Center. We were founded in 1987, and we started with community-based recycling and composting. Since then, we've become the host site for the New York Compost Project in Manhattan. We also do a lot of e-waste recycling and environmental education programs for students in Manhattan, and also stewardship programs. So, yeah.
Great. What made you join this organization, and what keeps you around?
Yeah, so my background is actually in ecology and wildlife conservation. I study wildlife in New York City, and as I started to look at how wildlife uses green spaces, I started to notice how people were using green spaces and how green space isn't really equally distributed around the city. So my role at the Ecology Center is education director, and I'm really passionate about sort of bringing environmental education to areas of the city that don't really receive it, because there's lots of places that have all this access to parks and all this access to environmental education, and then other places like where we are in the Lower East Side in Chinatown, and people just don't have access to that. So I'm in it for the people, the green space, and for the animals, all kind of together, and trying to improve New York City in that way.
That's amazing. So can you tell us about some of the outreach programs that you do to help spread the word and awareness?
Yeah, so we do a lot of programs with school groups. We host field trips in East River Park on water ecology, street tree stewardship, composting, and the food cycle in general. We're also in the process of developing workshops on climate change and resiliency in New York City, utilizing a lot of what we learned from the Hurricane Sandy.
That's wonderful. Thank you very much.